Namaste. Welcome to KeyVision 2020 by Pabbas. We wish you all are safe during this pandemic. 2020 has been a transformable and challenging year for every industry. Today, I'm happy for the opportunity to present our company's vision for 2020. This year is really special for us. Just not that we have turned 5, but it's been truly challenging and transformable year. Since day one of Pabbas, we have been purely dedicated ourselves towards bringing impactable and path-breaking solutions to make your day-to-day life easier by challenging ourselves from building a better to best product. As we are very clearly aware of our avatar vision, which is we gonna do things that no one has ever imagined, that made our startup exciting from starting our journey in just 10 by 10 room to what we are here now. This year, we have taken our major challenge to help every businesses and individual to overcome this financial crash. In the past few months, we have deeply observed that major problem of the crash is unemployment. To overcome this, we strongly believe building successful businesses can provide more opportunities for the unemployed. To build successful businesses, we even believe education is the key solution to uplift the businesses and employment. So, to overcome this financial crash, we have decided to work on providing quality education and employment opportunity. For this, after the long research, we have come up with 5 benchmarking solutions in the industries. Before that, we want to give a brief of our 5 years journey. Now I invite Kavya to continue the speech on EsaleMedia.
Hi, a warm welcome to everyone. Every business needs a technical team to make their business successful by providing their customer with good customer experience or satisfaction. We, as a EsaleMedia, providing service to our clients in digital transformation, digital branding, software solution, legal assistance. In the last few years, we have gained immense knowledge and expanded over the service to PWA app development, business automation, cloud infrastructure, chatbots, artificial intelligence, big data analytics as a part of our digital transformation segment. Coming to digital branding, we are specialized team with good experience in viral marketing, social listening, digital metric and digital establishment. We are very happy to provide our clients as a one-stop solution of their company formation to customer feedback. As our supportive initiative towards the startup India, we have helped more than 150 plus business to start their startup successful. As a part of our KeyVision 2020 challenged by Pabbas, we are committed to helping as much as business to get online, which enable them to do business uninterrupted. For this, we have made the process easy, which helps all small and medium business go digital with no extra efforts. Launch EsaleMedia app. To understand the major problem in our industry, we have taken a deep survey with all over the targeted audience and understands that 72% of our target clients don't know where to start. Like, people know where to buy vegetables and they know where to buy jewelry, but they don't know how to digitalize and automate the business. To overcome this, we have came up with a solution. This enables our service to start the process in a click. Since the last 5 years, we have been empowered our clients with the best technology and we are happy to be the part of their success, and we wish we empower more than 20,000 business by the end of this year. Thank you.
It's been an important part of our company since the day one. To represent EsaleMedia, we are very happy. As part of KeyVision 2020 Challenge by Pabbas, we are committed to help the businesses to get online, which enables them to do business uninterrupted. For this, we have made the process easy, which helps all small and medium enterprises go digital with no extra effort. We came up with a solution which enables our client to start their process just in a single click. EsaleMedia app. This will be available soon. Enables our clients just to download and start the service in a single click. Since the last 5 years, we have been empowering our clients with the best technologies in global standards, and we are happy to be a part of this success. And we wish to empower more than 20k businesses by the end of this year. ShopitSoon has been a really interesting product for us for understanding the customer behavior and our users' happiness. We started it as a hyper-local marketplace, empower local sellers online. The main concept behind ShopitSoon is 80% of every man's lifetime purchase is done within 5 kilometers of their radius, rather than big e-commerce industries getting benefited. With the help of our solution, we aim to benefit tons of local shopkeepers. We observe the product which available locally comes with a good quality at less price than online. So we have started ShopitSoon to offer to empower both sellers and give a good customer experience for the users. Today, I'm happy. Today, it has been a very big day for us. I am proud and excited to step forward to make our company, Pabbas Group, by forming Pabbas Innovations Private Limited. Through Pabbas IPO, we are focusing our goals by creating innovative and impactful solutions. As you're aware of our Hey Lucky app about the alpha launch which took place earlier this month, now we are happy to release an update with a lot more features as described earlier. I welcome Shivani to take it forward.
Hello everyone, I'm Shivani Jindal. First of all, I want to say thank you Lakshman. It's been a great experience working on Hey Lucky. Staying healthy has been everyone's goal nowadays. We have specially designed Hey Lucky which can help you to overcome this COVID pandemic. This app just takes care of you like your mother by reminding you healthy habits. The unique feature of the app is it works without internet. There are only two known medicines for this COVID-19. First is social distancing, second is immunity. Earlier we have implemented social distancing alert in Hey Lucky. So today we want to make the app more helpful by notify you all the healthy habits that you could be adopted. The app will notify you about your wake up time, sleeping time, brushing time, morning and evening walk time, meals time and workout time. The app reminds you to drink water and wash your hands. Hey Lucky alerts you when you are breaching social distance. Thank you.
Thank you, Shivani, for the wonderful contribution. Proud and happy to launch 4 benchmarking solutions: DigiScreen, EduScreen, PowerUp, and Digi Plex. Since the day one, we always focus on offering a best quality product at an affordable price.